Market to the world with these emailing tips. How can you bring in new customers on a limited budget? A great method that can be used immediately is known as email marketing. If you haven't heard about this internet marketing technique for growing your business, keep watching. This video is meant to get you started. If you are emailing potential customers, consider following up with some video clip. You could try inserting a line within your message that tells them to order now. The ending of the message could inform these people that they can become a customer immediately by clicking on the provided link. If you want your email marketing messages to be successful, make sure you have permission to send them. If you do not have permission from your recipients, the potential consequences can range from being added to spam filters all the way up to getting blacklisted by internet service providers themselves. Ensure that you only email people who have opted into your list. People who you have not built a relationship with will look at your unwanted email intrusion as spam. The recipients will be hesitant to accept your mail if they don't know you, and they may not care about your company's product. Their lack of care towards you and your business will most likely cause them to just mark it as spam, which just made your effort pointless. Be persistent in your attempts to reach customers. You don't have to send emails daily, but keep in mind that you may not capture a customer's attention, or business, until he or she has been exposed to your brand or product several times. Touch base often, but not so frequently that it seems too annoying. Clearly, all businesses can take advantage of email marketing in order to attract greater numbers of customers, for a much lower cost than other types of campaigns. For that low cost, you don't have any reasons not to make use of a good email marketing plan. Remember these tips so you can see better results with your marketing strategy. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.